Your head's drifting forward like it's trying to peek into next week. Your shoulders are rolled in like they're apologizing for taking up space. And your lower back? It's doing that weird arch that makes you look like you're permanently bracing for bad news. You didn't actually shrink, but your spine folded like a cheap lawn chair. And you've been living inside that collapse so long, you don't even notice it anymore. Until you stand next to an old photo and think, when did I start looking like a question mark? I've been there. And I got back 2 full inches. Not from shoes, not from surgery. Just by teaching my body to stand like it's supposed to. So let me build it for you. I'm going to show you the exact 10-minute daily routine I used. No gym, no equipment, just floor space and 10 minutes of your day. Do this consistently and you won't just stand taller. You'll breathe deeper, your waist will look slimmer, your clothes will fit better, and people will finally look you in the eye when you talk because you'll look like you belong in the room. This isn't about vanity, it's about presence, and your body's been hiding yours for years. We build this top to bottom because posture isn't one muscle, it's a chain. And if the top's weak, the whole thing sags. We start with the upper body. Grab a towel, hold it wide, wider than your shoulders. Pull it apart slightly to create tension. Now, arms straight, raise it overhead and slowly bring it behind your back. Go only as far as you can control. No yanking, no forcing. Once it's behind you, pull your hands apart harder. That extra tension is what unlocks the front of your shoulders, the part that's been glued shut from years of typing, driving, and scrolling. Bring it back the same way. Slow, controlled, no momentum. Start with a wide grip. As your mobility improves over weeks, narrow it gradually. Don't rush it. Mobility is earned, not forced, in one heroic session. Do 10 to 15 reps. You'll feel your shoulders drop back instantly like they remember how to behave. Now, rebuild head alignment. Place a finger on your chin. Now, slide your chin straight back, like you're creating the world's most aggressive double chin. Yes, that's the look. The uglier it is, the better it works. Just maybe don't do this during Zoom calls. I'm not taking responsibility for your HR file. Keep your eyes forward. Head tall. Slide the chin straight back, not down. If you feel a stretch at the base of your skull, you're hitting the right spot. Hold for 3 seconds. Repeat 10 times. This single move rebuilds the alignment your screen stole from you. Next, lengthen your spine with Cobra. Done right. Lie face down. Legs hip width. Toes pointed down. Palms under shoulders, but do not push up like a push-up. Instead, squeeze your quads hard enough to lift your knees slightly off the ground. Pull your shoulder blades down and back, like you're trying to tuck them into your back pockets. Then lift your chest forward, not up, like you're reaching your heart toward the wall in front of you. This builds length instead of compression. Hold for 3 slow breaths. Lower under control. Do 5 to 8 reps. Instantly, your upper back wakes up. Now, activate your lower traps. These are the muscles that pull your shoulders down and back. With bad posture, they've gone completely offline. Stand against a wall. Head, upper back, and lower back touching. Bend your arms to 90 degrees. Backs of hands on the wall. Now slide your arms up the wall. Slow and controlled. You should feel your mid-back switch on. If your hands peel off, you're cheating. Aim for 15 to 20 reps. This builds the foundation so your shoulders stay back without you having to think about it. Now the lower half. Because building posture from the neck down while ignoring your hips is like building a house on shifting sand. Start with your hip flexors. Drop into a tall kneeling lunge, one knee on the floor, other foot forward. Gently glide your hips forward until you feel a stretch in the front of the hip on the kneeling side. Now, squeeze the glute on that same side. This is the secret most people miss. That glute squeeze pulls your pelvis back into neutral, making the stretch 10 times more effective. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds. Reset. Repeat 3 rounds per side. This rebuilds pelvic alignment, so your spine doesn't have to compensate. Next, reactivate your glutes, the engine of posture. Lie on your back, knees bent, feet flat. Before lifting anything, slightly tuck your pelvis. Imagine zipping up a tight pair of jeans. This puts your spine in a safe, neutral position. Now push through your heels and lift your hips using your glutes, not your lower back. At the top, pause and squeeze your glutes hard for 2 seconds. Lower back down under control. Do 2 sets of 15 to 20 reps. Once this feels clean, progress to single leg glute bridges to build balance and eliminate lazy side dominance. Finally, let your lower back reset. Kneel on the floor, sit your hips back toward your heels, and reach your arms forward. Let your spine melt into the position. No tension, no forcing. Gravity does the work. You should feel a smooth, comfortable release through your lower back. If it starts feeling sharp or aggressive, you're pushing too hard. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds. Come back up. Repeat 3 rounds. This resets your lumbar spine so it stops trying to hold up your entire skeleton alone. Now, how to build this into your life. Do the full routine once daily. Takes 10 minutes. But if you sit all day, break it up. Morning, upper body build, 3 minutes. Lunch, lower body activation, 3 minutes. Evening, full flow or just Cobra plus glute bridges, 4 minutes. Within 3 days, you'll stand taller in photos. Within 2 weeks, your shirts won't pull across the shoulders. Within 6 weeks, people will say, "Have you been working out?" When all you did was stop collapsing and start building. But here's the truth no one tells you. Posture isn't built by exercise alone. It's built by what you do the other 23 hours. Stand up every 30 minutes. Walk more. Sleep on your back, and never accept "I'm just getting older" as an excuse to shrink. You didn't lose height. You just stopped building yourself upright. If this helped, like this video, it gets this to others who've collapsed without realizing it. Comment taller and stand proud. Breathe deep and stop folding yourself into smaller spaces.